Coral reefs, the vibrant underwater cities of biodiversity. 1. Introduction to coral reefs. Underwater oases. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are diverse ecosystems formed by the accumulation of calcium carbonate structures secreted by coral polyps. These vibrant underwater landscapes play a crucial role in marine biodiversity and ecosystem health. 2. Coral formation. Symbiotic relationship. Corals are marine invertebrates that form colonies of tiny polyps. These polyps secrete a calcium carbonate exoskeleton, creating the hard structures that comprise coral reefs. Coral bleaching. Environmental stressors, such as elevated sea temperatures, can lead to coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel their symbiotic algae, resulting in the loss of vibrant colors and, in severe cases, the death of coral colonies. 3. Types of coral reefs. Barrier reefs. These extensive reefs run parallel to coastlines but are separated by a lagoon. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is a prominent example. Fringing reefs. Found close to shorelines, fringing reefs directly border the coastline and can form shallow lagoons between the reef and the shore. Atolls. Atolls are circular or oval-shaped reefs that encircle a central lagoon. They often form on the remnants of submerged volcanic islands. 4. Coral reef ecosystem. Biodiversity hotspots. Coral reefs are renowned for their incredible biodiversity, hosting a myriad of marine species. The complex structures of reefs provide habitats for fish, invertebrates, and various other organisms. Symbiotic relationships. Coral polyps form symbiotic relationships with photosynthetic algae called zooxanthellae. The algae provide corals with nutrients and contribute to the vibrant colors of the reef. Fish communities. Coral reefs support diverse fish communities, from small and colorful reef fish to larger predators. The niches provided by the reef structure create a complex ecosystem. 5. Importance of coral reefs. Biodiversity and fisheries. Coral reefs are crucial for maintaining marine biodiversity and supporting fisheries. Many fish species rely on coral reefs for shelter, breeding grounds, and food. Coastal protection. Healthy coral reefs act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from the impact of storms, waves, and erosion. Economic value. Coral reefs contribute significantly to the economies of coastal communities through fisheries, tourism, and recreational activities. 6. Threats to coral reefs. Climate change. Rising sea temperatures associated with climate change can lead to coral bleaching, disrupting the symbiotic relationship between corals and algae. Overfishing. Unsustainable fishing practices, such as overfishing and the use of destructive fishing methods, can deplete fish populations and harm coral reef ecosystems. Pollution. Runoff from land, including agricultural runoff and pollutants from coastal development, can introduce sediment, nutrients, and chemicals that harm coral reefs. 7. Conservation efforts. Marine protected areas. Establishing marine protected areas helps safeguard coral reefs by limiting human activities and providing zones for natural regeneration. Coral restoration. Coral restoration projects involve cultivating and transplanting coral fragments to damaged areas, promoting reef recovery. Community engagement. Involving local communities in conservation efforts, including sustainable fishing practices and responsible tourism, fosters a sense of ownership and promotes long-term reef health. 8. Future challenges and resilience. Adapting to climate change. Enhancing the resilience of coral reefs to climate change involves global efforts to reduce carbon emissions and local initiatives to protect and restore reef ecosystems. Scientific research. Ongoing scientific research is essential for understanding the complex dynamics of coral reef ecosystems, identifying stressors, and developing effective conservation strategies. 9. Conclusion. Coral reefs, with their intricate beauty and ecological significance, are facing unprecedented challenges in the modern era. The continued health of these underwater ecosystems requires a collaborative and holistic approach that addresses climate change, sustainable resource management, and community engagement. Preserving coral reefs is not only a matter of ecological importance but a testament to our responsibility to safeguard the intricate web of life beneath the waves.